What does it even mean to be a good friend? Science shows that friendships matter. Longevity is based on satisfaction in relationships. So if you're not being the best friend you could be, this video is just for you. The science of friendships. Here's a hard truth to start us off. Not all friendships are created equal. Studies point out that friendships do indeed equal happiness, but only if those were best friends or close friends. In other words, having 500 surface-level acquaintances doesn't really make us happy. Sounds familiar? This is where the big problem comes in. Ultimately, we're actually pretty lonely. Loneliness is the difference between one's desired level of connection and actual level of connection. We are facing a serious loneliness crisis, and the only way to solve it is by being a better friend. Here's our solution. Become a good friend. No, a great friend. Not the let's hang out next Saturday friends who never call. Not those friends who are nowhere to be found when you need a favor. A great friend does a lot more and, more importantly, makes a difference. 3 qualities of an ideal friend. There are hundreds of qualities that you'll want to look for in a friend, but these are 3 traits and skills anyone can learn and improve over time. Number 1, vulnerability. They open up about their mistakes, are honest, and admit their feelings. Surface-level friendships refrain from doing this because they aren't ready or just don't know you well enough. However, once someone truly opens up to you, you know you're going to be a real friend. Number 2, consistency. They are reliable and available to ask for help. Friendships are all about being dependable. Consistent friends don't shift personalities when they hang out with you in different groups. They're loyal and check up on you. Number 3, positivity. They make their friends happy. Don't interpret this one the wrong way. Good friends don't have to be sunshine and rainbows. They just have to have the ability to make you smile, make you laugh, because otherwise, why would you be vulnerable with them? Because otherwise, why would you even talk to them? Bonus tips to being a better friend. Here are a few more actionable tips to being a better friend that you can implement immediately. Remember important dates. I'll admit that this is something I'm horrible at, but knowing their birthday or friendiversary or even family members' birthdays can help you make thoughtful gestures. Don't memorize them. There are way too many to do that. However, you can track them down and manage to surprise a few people. Mere exposure effect. The more you see someone, the more you will like them. This is a social psychology theory called the mere exposure effect that explains why you may be very comfortable having a spontaneous conversation with the receptionist you pass by every day. Ask dopamine-boosting questions. Is this your first video from the Success Bistro? If so, I need you to know that we are firmly anti-weather askers. If you are a returning subscriber, you should already know that how's the weather is a social skills crime. Ask dopamine-boosting questions. These are questions that make the other person feel good by making them think. These are questions that ask them about themselves because people love talking about themselves. So next time, instead of asking, how do you do, ask them about their deepest, darkest fear. Reach out. This is an amazing thing to do with one of your friends. Randomly go through your contact list and ask them how they're doing. Reach out to them. Some ways you can do this are by sharing a photo that reminded you of them, asking them how they feel in the moment, congratulating them about a recent success, or just mentioning that you want to talk. True friends celebrate each other. They're dependable, positive, and open up. They're the ones that you can count on and the ones you want to be. Thank you for watching this video. Please consider subscribing to the Success Bistro if you like this video because it really helps the channel grow, and share its content with others.